Samsung Galaxy Tri-Fold vs. Z Fold 7, design similarities, features, and launch updates. The future of foldable smartphones is unfolding fast, and Samsung is leading the innovation race. With the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 and the all-new Samsung Tri-Fold phone, rumored to be named the Galaxy G Fold, the tech giant is about to redefine how we interact with screens. But what's most intriguing is that these two foldables may share key similarities in design and hardware, creating a new level of consistency across Samsung's premium foldable range. Let's take a deeper dive into everything we know about the Galaxy G Fold versus Galaxy Z Fold 7 and how Samsung is pushing the boundaries of innovation with its tri-folding device. Repeat button share design and build elements, G Fold and Z Fold 7. According to reliable tech insider at PandaFlashPro, both the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7 and the Tri-Fold Galaxy G Fold are expected to share several hardware components. This includes identical speaker systems, same chassis integration techniques, similar hinge mechanisms, a nearly crease-free flat body design. These enhancements suggest Samsung is focusing on a streamlined build with minimal display creasing, a long-standing issue in earlier foldables. Not only will this improve the aesthetic and usability, but it will also allow Samsung to save on production costs by utilizing shared components across devices. But the G Fold takes things further, adding an extra hinge and a third display panel, enabling a unique tri-folding mechanism. Mobile phone tri-fold display specs. Bigger, bolder, better? Leaks suggest that Samsung's tri-fold phone will feature an outer display measuring 6.49 inches, an expansive inner display of 9.96 inches. That puts the tri-fold nearly in tablet territory when fully unfolded. The inward folding design confirms the presence of both external and internal screens, ensuring productivity and convenience on the go. And yes, Samsung has already teased this tri-fold form factor at various tech events, so its debut isn't just speculation anymore. Expectations are sky-high. High-voltage charging speed and battery tech. Silicon carbon enters the fold. One of the most exciting upgrades in the Galaxy G Fold is its rumored battery technology. Unlike traditional lithium-ion batteries, Samsung may introduce a silicon carbon battery in its tri-fold device, a first for the brand. Why is this important? Silicon carbon batteries use a silicon anode, allowing them to store more energy in less space. The battery density is significantly higher than current lithium-ion batteries. OnePlus and Honor have already tested this tech with impressive results. With Samsung striving for ultra-thin foldables, this advanced battery could be a game changer. The Tri-Fold is expected to have under 5,000 mAh capacity, but thanks to the efficiency of silicon carbon cells, it might deliver longer usage with less bulk. Electric plug wired charging, still capped at 25 W? While the battery tech may be cutting edge, don't expect blazing fast charging speeds. According to @PandaFlashPro, the Tri-Fold might stick with 25 W wired charging, the same seen on the Galaxy S25 and Z Fold 6. This has sparked criticism from some tech enthusiasts, especially since mid-range Samsung phones like the Galaxy A56 support 45 W charging. But here's the reality. Faster charging generates more heat. Foldables have less internal space for cooling mechanisms. Samsung likely prioritizes thermal safety and device longevity over sheer charging speed. So while 25 W might feel outdated, it could be a necessary compromise for foldable reliability. Movie camera setup. No under-display cameras. Surprisingly, Samsung may opt out of under-display camera tech on the Galaxy G Fold. Instead, it will likely feature a classic hole-punch camera layout. This isn't necessarily bad news. Under-display cameras still struggle with quality, particularly in low light. A traditional camera ensures better selfies, video calls, and facial recognition. It's a strategic choice for practicality, not a step backward. Calendar launch timeline. G Fold, Z Fold 7 and Flip 7. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event is reportedly set for July, where the Z Fold 7, Z Flip 7, and possibly the Galaxy G Fold will be showcased. However, industry insiders believe that the trifold device won't hit retail shelves immediately. Its commercial launch could happen later in the year, possibly with limited availability at first. Camera with flash camera discrepancies, where foldables still lag. Despite their advanced engineering, foldable smartphones often lag behind in camera technology. For instance, the Z Fold lineup has maxed out at a 50MP primary sensor. The 200MP lens seen on the Galaxy S23 Ultra and S24 Ultra has never been featured in a mainstream Z Fold device. The Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition was the only model to offer this high-end camera, and even that saw limited release. Rumors hint the Z Fold May 7th finally integrate the 200MP sensor, but Samsung hasn't confirmed anything yet. Moneybag foldable pricing. Still a luxury purchase. One of the biggest barriers to foldable phone adoption? The hefty price tags. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 launched at $1,899.99. The upcoming G Fold is expected to be even more expensive. Even with innovative features and improved durability, foldable phones remain out of reach for many consumers. A standard flagship delivers similar performance and better cameras for a much lower price. That's why foldables held only 1.6% of the global market share in 2023, though projections say it might rise to 5% by 2028. Brain, are foldables worth the cost? There's no denying the wow factor of a folding phone. Whether it's the clamshell form of the Flip series or the book-like format of the Z Fold, you're getting tablet-level functionality in a pocket-sized footprint. But does it justify the price? They often compromise on camera quality. Battery capacities are average. Charging speeds lag behind the competition. Still, Samsung has come a long way since the problematic launch of the first Galaxy Fold in 2019. The company now produces some of the most durable and refined foldables in the market. If the G Fold succeeds, it could cement Samsung's place as the leader in this niche. Thinking face, is the trifold G Fold just a PR stunt? Some speculate that the Galaxy G Fold's release may be more about marketing than mass sales. By launching the world's first mass-market trifold phone, Samsung could showcase its technological superiority, prevent Chinese brands like Xiaomi or Huawei from taking the innovation spotlight, reinforce its global leadership in foldable design. But whether this is a serious consumer device or a proof of concept, the G Fold will undoubtedly attract massive attention. Memo: final thoughts. What to expect from Samsung's next big foldables. Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy G Fold are shaping up to be the most talked about foldable devices of 2025. Here's what we can expect. Shared design philosophy and parts. Next-gen silicon-carbon battery in the G Fold. Similar 25W charging across the board. While the Z Fold May 7th play it safe with evolutionary updates, the Galaxy G Fold represents Samsung's boldest leap yet. Whether it becomes a mainstream hit or a niche collector's dream, it will